Di usia yang kini 35 tahun, Reza Rahadian sudah dikenal sebagai aktor papan atas dunia film Indonesia. Puluhan judul film, belasan piala, penghargaan beragam karakter ikonis, dan berbagai pujian telah diraih Reza sejak berkarir pada tahun 2004. Namun Reza juga kerap menjadi sasaran kritik dan celaan sebagai pihak dengan alasan lagi Reza Rahadian.
자, 네 번째로 기대해 주신 레자 라디안 감독님의 수상소감 다시 한번 들어봐야 되겠는데요.
Okay, I'm gonna make it as quick as possible. I don't want to have. First of all, this is my 20 years in my career as an actor, and this year marks that 20 years in Indonesian film industry. As much as I love cinema, and I hope this can be my contribution, not just to my nation, to Indonesia, in our film industry, that going up and up each and every year.